Welcome to Visual ML Lab Pro, the high rigor no code ecosystem designed to turn machine learning from a black box into a visual reality. Today, we are starting our journey in the regression lab. Regression is the mathematical heart of prediction, allowing us to forecast continuous targets based on historical patterns. As you can see, our department provides an unlimited environment for deep research and education. On the left, you'll find your command center. We'll start with the dataset controls. You can select from curated built-in data like diabetes or housing. Our engine performs automatic schema validation to ensure your data is ready for the statistical learning framework we describe in Chapter 2 of our manual. Next, we choose our engine. You have access to linear regression, which uses the normal equation for closed form solutions, as well as regularized models like ridge and lasso. By switching to ridge, notice the hyperparameters section update. Here is your tuning ladder. Use the alpha slider to introduce L2 regularization, which shrinks coefficients to prevent overfitting. Finally, we set our boundaries. We'll keep a standard 0.25 test split. Crucially, you can set a specific random seed. As detailed in our manual, this ensures statistical reliability and 100% reproducibility across your research runs. Now, let's put theory into practice. With one click, Visual ML Lab Pro calculates the weights, benchmarks the error, and generates publication-ready visualizations. In seconds, a weeks-long coding task is transformed into an interactive result. Our output is divided into two sections: evidence and visualization. First, the metrics. We see our MAE, which measures the average prediction error, and our R squared, which tells us that our model explains roughly 48% of the variance in the target. But a single number can be misleading. That's why we look at the X-ray plots. The predicted versus true plot shows how closely our points hug the ideal diagonal line. To the right, we have the residuals plot. This is vital for diagnostic analysis. If you see these points forming a fan shape, you've detected heteroscedasticity, signaling that the model's error isn't constant. Our built-in symptom-to-action logic helps you recognize these patterns instantly. We also provide a specific feature fit view. Watch how the red regression curve attempts to capture the trend within the noise. This is visual intuition at work. Everything you see is automatically recorded in the experiment log. It captures the dataset, the seed, and every hyperparameter. You can export this log as a CSV or Excel file for your records, or download a zip of high-resolution PNG figures for your classroom presentation or research paper. Stop coding in the dark and start seeing your models clearly. This is the power of Visual ML Lab Pro. Visit us at qilabs.in to begin your journey today. Thank you for watching.